Hello and welcome. The functionality I would like to present today is the Application Users Editor. It is a functionality that allows multiple dispatchers to use ConSEL Plus. It enables the creation of users and the assignment of appropriate permissions based on the needs and decisions of the system administrator. In our application, we can see that no users have been created yet. However, we were able to log into the software using the main administrator account, which does not appear in the application users editor. The main account is created during the first launch of the application. Let's start by adding a user. To do this, we right-click in the window on the left and then select Add New User. We can see that the user has been created and we can view the parameters of their permissions on the right side of the window. So far, we have only created the username and now we need to assign a login and password to the user. For the password, there are additional options available, such as specifying the frequency of forced password changes or requiring a certain level of complexity. I will now enter the password. For some permissions, we can enable additional authorization. To make assigning permissions easier, a role function has been created. By selecting a specific role, the permissions contained within it will be automatically assigned to the user. To edit roles, click on the Roles tab on the right. Here we can modify the permissions assigned to roles or add new roles. Let's assign the administrator role to our user, Axel. In the Dispatcher Permissions tab, we have sets such as program permissions, radio function permissions, and console permissions. Console permissions can be edited either for individual radio consoles or collectively. In the Object Permissions tab, we can assign GPS objects that the dispatcher will be able to view on the map and in Online Data tab. Let's save changes. I will now log in as the newly created user. Since we were previously logged in as a super administrator, there is no need to enter the password for the user. In all other cases, a password will, of course, be required. We are now logged in as the new user. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to watch other videos